Good morning, all of you. Today I will discuss a creative question which is from chapter 5. As you all of you are very worried about it, here I just have given a stem, and as you can see, the stem is totally program using for loop. And in this program, we just have added numbers from 1 to n. N is a variable that we need to define the value of n when the program will run, and we will get the output as well for that. Based on this, I just have given the question. The first question is what is variable, second is why documentation is needed. Question number C and D totally depending on this. C is algorithm we need to write about the program, and fourth one is that means D, we will have to rewrite the same program using do while loop, which is already there in the stem with for loop. So first question I will start, and that is what is variable. We know variable is once you declare a variable, we will get a space into the memory where we can store data temporarily. So here I have written in this way: a variable is a way of referring to a storage area in a computer program. In the program, if I declare int space a, then a is the name of the variable which is of type integer. Then let's see the question number B, why a documentation is done. Actually, a documentation is done for the other programmers. When I'll write a program or when I'll make a software, for each and every program, if I write down the documentation, why I have written it, why I have written all the steps, if it is being defined, then when the other programmers will see it, for them it will be very easy to develop or to proceed further. That's why documentation is very important. Here I have written in a way, you can see documentation is a way and it is a must for the programmer. So documentation is a way, documentation is always a must for the programmer. It helps keep track of all aspects of an application, and it improves on the quality of a software product. The main focus of documentation are development, maintenance, and knowledge transfer to other developer. Now we'll see question number C. Question number C is we'll have to write down the algorithm for the program. And algorithm starts with start. So the first step is start. Second one, the declaration of the variable and the assigning value to the variable. Third one, we'll have to receive the value for n, which is the n number. Step 4, we need to just add the value of I with the sum. Step 5 is we'll have to compare now the value of I with the variable n. If it is less than or equal to that value, then it will go and continue. That means it will go back to step 4 again. Otherwise, it will go to step 6. And in step 6, it will show the result of the program. And then finally, in step 7, it will end. Now, the very important thing about the question number D, we'll go back to again question the stem. See, we have declared the variable, we have assigned the value, then we have taken the value of n. Those things will be the same up to scanf. It will be the same thing with the program. The for loop will change, as we'll have to start with do while. So instead of for, it will be do. Then the second bracket will come, as you can see. Then sum is equal to sum plus I, and the variable of I will be incremented by 1 here inside the do. Then it will continue. How long it will continue? While I less than or equal to n. So there is a similarity. If you understand, if you see together the first program, the stem, and then the program which is written with do while, you can easily understand the difference. And after while, here one thing is missed out. Here, see, there is a command statement printf total is %d sum, that will come here after this while, and then finally get ch. and then a second bracket, the program will end then. So hopefully you have understood it, and this will help you a lot, I think. If there is any question in the next class, you can ask me, or you can send me a WhatsApp message, and then I can reply you. Okay.